Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be installing Windows 10 RTM on a laptop from 2021. If you didn't know it yet, Windows 10 RTM is the first release of Windows 10, which was released back in 2015. Now this laptop was released in 2021, so let's try installing it on that laptop. Okay, so it works finally after a few restarts. I'm gonna start installing it. Okay, so it has finished installing and it's prompting me to enter a product key, but luckily there's this do this later button, and okay, whatever, I'm gonna use express settings and all that stuff. So I'm gonna do the username as code tutorials, and I'm gonna try lowering the brightness. Okay, finally it opened finally. It does not want to detect the internet connection for some reason. Hold on, I'm gonna pause the recording first. Okay, so I've got everything installed on this USB. Now I'm gonna install it on the laptop. And by the way, I also included an OBS installer so that I don't need to use this camera and I can just record the laptop. So this one is taking longer than expected, so I'm gonna try cancelling it. What? It doesn't work. I'm gonna try reinstalling it. So since it doesn't work, I'm gonna try restarting the laptop, and reinstalling that one. So nothing worked. Turns out nothing worked. Not even the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna try reinstalling the Wi-Fi driver. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna try finding another driver for the audio and the others. Okay, so since it doesn't work, I'm gonna try reinstalling everything. I'm gonna try reinstalling the drivers, and I'm gonna try using another set of drivers. So I'm gonna pause the recording for now, and I'm gonna continue it in a few minutes. Okay, so change of plans. Since I have this TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter, I'm gonna use that instead of finding a Wi-Fi adapter. So it should be able to detect it. So it doesn't detect it. But it's supposed to be able to detect it. How is it not detecting it? So it doesn't find a driver. Okay, so another change of plans. I'm gonna try finding a Wi-Fi driver for that USB Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna pause the recording yet again. Okay, so I finally figured out a way to install the the Wi-Fi adapters drivers, but for the rest of the drivers, I cannot find it. So the conclusion is Can you run Windows 10 RTM on a 2020 a laptop from 2021? Barely. Can you use it? Sort of. Actually, it blue screened once off cam. So, in conclusion, I don't think you should do this, obviously. But I did get Google Chrome running and the Wi-Fi to run, so I kind of made it work. But yeah, the brightness doesn't work, the graphics doesn't really work, and the speaker says high definition audio device, although it's blurry. You can kind of see it. It's high definition audio device. Well, it's supposed to be Realtek audio. So like almost nothing works. But yeah, I kind of got it to run. So yeah, I guess because of that, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye!